Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Today is weigh-in day, and I'm starting my day off with the chocolate chip cookie fueling. 1 cup of hazelnut coffee with a tablespoon of sugar-free caramel macchiato creamer, and 1 packet of sweet leaf stevia. Let's get the day started. All right, guys, fueling number 2 is the creamy peanut butter bar. Brittany and I are heading out to Target. I have to make some returns, so I'm gonna eat this on the go and bring you with me. See you over there. All right, so we have Target return bags in tow. And we're headed off. So today was weigh-in day and wanted to tell you how I did. So this week there were 2 challenges. One, Aunt Flo arrived a little earlier than expected, as what's per usual lately. It seems like it comes a little bit early every month. That was one challenge, although I didn't feel the need to go off plan because of it. So that was actually an accomplishment. But 2, last night I had cauliflower rice, eggs, and soy sauce. I was in the mood for that, what do you call it? Fried rice kind of thing. And what the hell was I thinking? I totally forgot I had weigh-in day today, which after the fact, I was like, seriously? So I chugged a ton of water thinking it might help, and it may have, I'm not really sure. But the weigh-in this morning, I was up 0.8. So I think considering the Aunt Flo and the soy sauce situation, I'm not too worried about it. Tells me that I either maintained or lost a little bit. So we'll see what happens next week. I'm fine with it. I'm not bothered by it. I'm just disappointed in myself that I had the soy sauce last night, because I was really hoping to get a good accurate number. Whatever, life happens. I enjoyed my lean and green immensely. And so that is how weigh-in day went today. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, the weather today is pretty gloomy. It's gray. It's 70 degrees. Very strange weather. We've been having a lot of rain during the week, on and off, with very balmy and muggy humidity and just weather. So today I'm just wearing a very light shirt and a pair of jeans and boots, and we're gonna go return. Brittany had bought a sweater that she doesn't like, and the fitting rooms are all closed, so unfortunately we can't try anything on. So it's like you gotta buy it, bring it home, and then return it. Crazy, but that's what we're doing. And then I want to go pick something up for dinner. What else, Britt, do we have to do? I don't know, just a couple little errands and then heading home. So we will see you at fueling number 3. All right, so we're in Target, and you guys constantly ask what kind of frying pan I use. So I'm gonna show you the exact one, and this is where I got it. So come to Target, here it is. That's it, the Tefal 12 and a half inch fry pan. This thing is the best. And it's on sale for $19.99. Can't beat it. You don't even need oil. I'm telling you, it's the best pan I've ever had. So we just left Target. I'll have to show you what we picked up when we get home. It was just very difficult to film in there. But it's time to eat again, and we're having cinnamon sticks. And I stopped off at Wendy's and got a diet soda. And it is now in the 70s, and I'm hot, so I'm gonna go home and change, put on a t-shirt and probably some shorts, because you know, in New Jersey it could be winter one day, fall the next, and summer the next. So gonna eat these, head home, and we'll see you over there. All right, guys, so we are home from Target. Whew, it's hot, so I changed. I put a tank top on, and this cardigan is something that I got from Target, so I will show you what that looks like in a picture right now. How cute is that? This cardigan was on clearance, and for size reference, what'd I get? I think I got it in a small It's very thin. I love it, especially for work. Here's the tag. Let's look. This was 60% off. There's your price. There's your SKU, if you could see it. All right, so that is a great find. I got it primarily for work. I thought it would be great, you know, and I love the length. So like you could wear black leggings, a turtleneck, a blouse, whatever, and just cover with cardigan on like a cool day. While I was there, I was in the market for a new pair of black boots, like the riding boots I just recently got. But I didn't want one with a buckle on the side. I just wanted plain black. This is the brand Universal Thread. Let me show you these cute little boots. Here they are. See how they're plain? There's no buckle. Really cute. Little bit of a point, not much. But what I really liked, I love this little thing here on the back, and I love this little notch out part. I just thought it was so cute. It has a zipper up the side. How cute. And I got it in a size 8. And here is the tag for those that want to look. I'll see if I can link it in the description. $34.99. I mean, for Target, I don't think that's a bad price. And I love that it zips up the side. There you go. New pair of riding boots. Let me show you the last thing that we got. I've been dying for some kind of dispenser for my dish soap. I usually leave the container of Dawn. I use Dawn religiously on my sink, and because the bottle is so big, it always topples over. So let's go into the kitchen and I'll show you. This is like such a great little find, and I have been looking for one of these for so long. A specific kind that's not flimsy, but not like decorative, just something plain and simple to kind of like blend within the scenery of the kitchen. Let's go check it out. There it is. How cute is this little thing? So we filled it up with soap and we couldn't get the pump to work because I think it was too thick. Most of these, when you buy them, if you look on the label, it says to add water to it. So we filled it up like, I don't know, a little less than halfway with the Dawn dish soap, and the rest is water. And we get a really nice foamy, kind of reminiscent of Bath and Body Works, that foamy soap. So this is our new dispenser. I just think it's super cute. All right, we're at Lean and Green, and I ordered from the Chinese place near our house steamed shrimp and broccoli. I weighed it out. It's a little under 7 ounces, so I'm fine with that. And the broccoli is a little under what it should be also, so this is perfect, my Lean and Green. I'm supposed to have a healthy fat, so I don't know what I'm going to add. I might just add a little bit of olive oil to this and enjoy it. See you in a little while, guys. All right, guys, so I ate chocolate pudding a little while ago and totally forgot to record it. So I have one more fueling to go for the night, and we just got some really bad news. My aunt passed away a week ago from COVID and pneumonia, and today my Uncle Bill passed from the same thing. What a year it's been. We lost my father-in-law, my aunt Jane, my cousin Evie, my Uncle Bill, my Aunt Judy, my Aunt Helen. Like, so many people in the family are gone. It's absolute craziness. Please, guys, really, really take it to heart. COVID is real. We're not exempt. Wear your masks. Practice hand washing, social distancing. Please don't let your guard down. It's real. It sucks. Just sucks. All right, guys. It's 2 hours later. It's a sucky day, let me tell you. But I wanted to finish the video off for you. So I made my last fueling brownie with Laughing Cow on top. I cut it up and put it in the microwave with the brownie. And I cooked it for 1 minute and 18 seconds so that it would melt. And I made myself a cup of coffee because I have the worst headache, probably from just being upset and just like everything. The stress today is really getting to me. I'm just so like, anyway, I'm not looking for sympathy. I'm just expressing how I feel. And normally on, times like this where my stress level is so high, I would turn to food. And ironically, I don't really have much of an appetite. Like the brownie looks really good, but I don't know, guys. This COVID thing is just honestly, like, I am so grateful to have lived through it. But like when I think about my Aunt Judy and Uncle Bill, like they were fine Aunt Judy passed away about a week ago from it. But right before that, they were fine. They went out with my parents for lunch. And since then, my parents have been tested twice. Thank God they're both okay. But like, what the hell, man? This just comes on, And it just doesn't discriminate. It takes away precious life, And like, it really, this year has been tough. We've lost, like I said earlier, so many people within the family. Like, they were the only two to pass from COVID. But like, I just feel, I can't process it. It's just too many people are gone. Too many people are gone that were otherwise healthy people. Like, what the hell? So anyway, I would normally turn to food in times like this. And I am going to stay strong and not do that. And I am just going to, forge through. That's all we can do. We have to try to stay healthy. And I feel like, OPTAVIA with the vitamins and minerals that are in it, and, not eating a ton of sugar and things like that. Like, I am just trying so hard to keep myself healthy. It has been lousy. I know my vitamin D level has likely dropped because we haven't had sunshine in quite a while. And, so I think I'm going to go to the store. Even though we get 100% of vitamins and minerals within our food, I think I'm going to invest in some vitamin D, and take some extra vitamin C, even though, whatever you don't use, your body pees it out, but it doesn't hurt. We're going to have a long winter, guys, long winter. Anyway, stay safe. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great night. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. Bye, guys.